how to add application to desktop on Mac. If you are using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now there are two places where you can check out the applications which are installed in your Mac. The first one is you can simply open Launchpad, which you can find in dock. And once you open it, here are the applications which are already installed on Mac. So this was the first place. Now the second one is you can simply open Finder, and here you can select application, and once again you will be able to check out all the applications which is installed in your Mac. Now to create a shortcut or to add that particular application to desktop, all you need to do is you need to select any particular application. For example, if I want to add App Store over here on the desktop, now currently you can see there are no applications over here. So if I want to add App Store, I'm going to select that, and after that I will click and drag it to desktop like this. And now here you can see I have simply added App Store application to desktop. Also that particular application is in dock, but I want to open it from desktop, so I'm adding it. Similarly, you can select any other application. You can select the application and you can just simply click and drag it to desktop to add it. So this is how simple it is to add any particular application to desktop in your Mac. And before going, one more thing. Now you can see there is a black color icon over here on each application. This will indicate that these are the shortcuts you have already added on the desktop. Now, if you delete any application which you have already added to desktop, it won't uninstall the application. Now you can see I have deleted GarageBand, but if I open Launchpad, you can find GarageBand over here. So it will only delete that option from desktop. It won't uninstall the application if you select and delete it. So keep that in mind. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.